Karen. I'm from Denmark. I started here at AquìSeBaila because I wanted to learn to dance salsa and bachata, or I wanted to go on learning to dance salsa and bachata because actually I started dancing while I lived abroad. Then once I transferred here in Italy, I wanted to go on and learn more. And I tried to go around and look at different schools. I tried different kinds of lessons, and I saw some schools that were they had quite strict lessons. It was very almost military style. Then I saw some schools that were more like they were joking the whole time. You didn't really learn much. Then I found AquìSeBaila, where for me it was the perfect equilibrium between learning to dance and having fun. The most important aspects of AquìSeBaila for me was probably making friends, especially coming from outside Italy. Most people already have childhood friends, so this was really the perfect way for me to meet new people. It helps me a lot to reduce stress. I forget all my problems and worries when I come here and just dance and have fun. So yeah, it's something I would definitely recommend for anyone. Anyone can learn to dance and just have so much fun, and here in AquìSeBaila you immediately feel welcome and part of the group.